Welcome to the Design a Magnet Problem activity. We will be building an electromagnet to test different variables to see how you might build one yourself. Here are the materials we'll be using: 2 different size batteries, black electrical tape, some copper wiring, small paper clips, large paper clips, and an iron nail. Just like in the first image that you saw, here's my setup. I have an iron nail and I've wrapped the copper wire around it multiple times. I'm starting with the small battery, and you can see the electrical tape on each end that is holding each end of the wire to each edge of the battery. Look at your worksheet for example number 1. I'm starting with the small battery, and I will be attempting to attract small paper clips and then large paper clips to it. But before we can start, you need to make a prediction about how many number of the clips for each you think will be attracted to the magnet. Pause the video, and when you're ready, start it again. Here comes the small battery and the small paper clips first. And remember, if you need to pause the video, you can at any time. Pause the video to record the actual number of paper clips for each that was attracted to the magnet. And when you're ready, start the video again. Look at your worksheet for example number 2. I'm going to complete the exact same procedures, except this time I'm going to use a large battery. But before we start, you need to answer the question. How do you think the number of paper clips attracted to the nail with the large battery will be different? Answer that question, and then go ahead and make your prediction down there in the chart for how many of the clips you think will attract to the nail. Pause the video, and when you're ready, start it again. Here comes example number 2 with the large battery, and I'm starting with the small paper clips. Remember, you can pause at any time. Pause the video to record the actual number of paper clips that were attracted, and when you're ready, start the video again. Example number 3 is going to be a little bit different. We're going to be looking at the number of turns the wire takes around the nail. So look at your worksheet for example number 3. Answer that first question. Do you think the number of turns of the wire around the nail increases or decreases the strength of the magnet? And explain your reasoning. So go ahead and pause the video and answer that question, and when you're ready, start the video again. We'll do 2 trials, each with a different amount of turns of the wire around the nail. Here's our first trial, so pause the video and count the number of turns you see on the wire and record that in your chart on your worksheet. Here is the second trial, so again, go ahead and pause the video so you can count the number of turns of the wire. And after you get them counted and recorded in your data sheet, go ahead and make your predictions before continuing on. Start the video again when you're ready. So here we go. Large battery with 10 turns around the nail. Pause the video to record your data and start it up again when you're ready. And here's the next one, large battery with 23 turns around the nail. And now it's time to record your last piece of data and finish the worksheet. Good luck.